fellow lockpickers, and today in the vise we have this tiny little CISA, and let's have a quick look at the bin. So yeah, most of them are all highs apart from one low, so it's a nice little oval. I mean, compared next to a come on, I think I focus, yeah, compared to a Euro there. That's super smooth. I'm going to have to use a Das Evers short hook. So let's see. I haven't been putting many videos up lately because I've been trying to turn my hand at pick making, and yeah, in spare time I've got them just out there. So yeah, apologies for not being on here much. I hope to catch up with everyone else's videos soon as well. I think I might have to do a slightly steeper hook for the back. Where's it here? Maybe I'll overset, who knows? Yeah, I think it was an overset. Start again. Some counter here, nice little spool. Looks like another one here. How can a little lock give you so much grief? Let's have another go. Let's try a slightly steeper hook. And there we go. Right, we're in. So we can lock her back up. Let's just show you. There you go. Lock her back up because we've got a key, and we'll have a quick look inside. It's got some tiny little spools in there. Right. Let me let's pan us down a sec. Right, and I reckon my new titanium follower from John Eggington will work there. Let's just get a shim out. They never cooperate when you want them to either. So there we go, should do the trick. That's a bit tight. There we go. So let's have a look. Yep. All need to be picked. Standards. Didn't expect anything else, but up the top we're definitely going to have some spools in there. So spool in 1, spool in 2 and 3. I can pick it up. And 4, and a standard in 5, and I'm guessing all the springs will be the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep. So yeah, cool little. I don't know if it's going to work zooming in like that. Best to zoom out and then bring it up. So focus, chuck that down there. Come on. So yeah, nice little spools, and if I just get a standard spool out of my kit, we'll see the size difference. And see how small it is compared to the standard one. Anyway, cheers for watching this little video, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye.